Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful session of learning with PrepClass. I am Bisi, I am a PrepClass tutor. In this video, we are going to be solving Akwa Pre-vocational Studies, Agricultural Science for the year 2019 from questions 21 to questions 25. Subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to like and comment on this video. This will encourage us to make more videos like this. Thank you. Alright, so the first question is question 21. Which of the following people is not involved in stock exchange? The dash. A. Farm manager. B. Jobber. C. Investors. D. Broker. So first of all, what does stock exchange mean? So for us to be able to answer this question, we need to know the meaning of stock exchange. Stock exchange is a market where stocks and shares are bought and sold. So stock exchange is a market where stocks and shares are bought and sold. Now, the options, let's find out the meaning of each of the options. A farm manager. A farm manager is a person responsible for the management and general maintenance of a farm. A jobber is one who purchases goods in bulk and resells them to smaller dealers. So jobbers are also referred to as middlemen. So they purchase goods in bulk and resells them to smaller dealers. Okay, so the next option is investor. Who is an investor? An investor is an individual that puts money into an entity such as a business for a financial return. So maybe you want to start up a business now, and then I have some money that I want to invest into your company. So if I invest the money, I'm going to get a return, that's a profit on that investment. Okay, so an investor is an individual that puts money into an entity such as a business for a financial return. A broker is a person or firm who arranges transactions between a buyer and a seller for a commission when the deal is executed. Alright, so which of these people is not involved in stock exchange? A jobber is involved in stock exchange. Investors are involved in stock exchange. A broker is also involved in stock exchange. So, but farm manager is not involved in stock exchange. The farm manager is only involved in the management and general maintenance of the farm. So he is not involved in stock exchange. So the correct option is A. Which of the following people is not involved in stock exchange? The farm manager. So A is the correct option. Check. Question 22. Examples of biting and chewing insects are A. Aphids, mealybugs and capsule. B. Locust, grasshopper and cricket. C. Butterfly, moth and capsule. D. Stem borer, weevil and rhinoceros beetle. So these are all the options. So what are biting and chewing insects? Biting and chewing insects are insect pests that possess strong mouth parts that enable them to bite and chew plant parts. So they have very strong mouth parts that help them to be able to bite and chew plant parts. So this is why they are called biting and chewing insects. Examples of biting and chewing insects are locusts, grasshopper, crickets, termites, beetles, leafworms, armyworms, and so on. There are many of them. So which of the following options is correct? A. Aphids, mealybugs, and capsule. So these are piercing and sucking insects. They are not biting and chewing insects. B. Locust, grasshopper, and cricket. Yes, these are examples of biting and chewing insects. They have very strong mouth parts that enable them to bite and chew plant parts. Butterfly, mouth parts, and capsule, that is C. These are piercing and sucking insects. D. Stem borer, weevil, and rhinoceros beetle are boring insects. They bore into the plant. Alright, so the correct option is B. Examples of biting and chewing insects are locusts, grasshopper, and cricket. So the correct option is B. Check. Question 23. Snails are dash animals. A. Vertebrate. B. Cold-blooded. C. Invertebrate. D. Crawling. What category does snails fall into? Is it vertebrate? Is it cold-blooded? Is it invertebrate or crawling? For us to be able to choose the correct option, let's find out what each of these options mean. So what are vertebrate animals? Vertebrate animals are animals that have a backbone. So they have a backbone. Examples include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So these are all examples of vertebrate animals. Cold-blooded animals are animals that do not maintain a constant body temperature. This means that they get their heat from the outside environment. Okay, examples of cold-blooded animals are reptiles, fishes, insects, and so on. What about invertebrate animals? Invertebrate animals are animals that do not have backbone. Remember, vertebrate animals have backbone. Invertebrate animals do not have backbone. Examples are snails, earthworms, crabs, insects, and so on. What about crawling animals? Crawling animals are animals that crawl. Examples of crawling animals are snakes, lizards, and other animals that crawl. Okay, so which category does snail fall into? Snails do not have backbone, so they are invertebrate animals. So option C is the correct option. Check. Question 24. To remove honey from a beehive, the beekeeper pulls out A. Wooden trays, B. Boots, C. Bee suit, D. Wooden frames. So which of this is correct? So honey is stored by honeybees in their beeswax honeycomb in framed beehives. So the honey is stored on a wooden structure called a frame. So this wooden frame is where the honey is stored. Okay, so to remove honey from a beehive, the beekeeper pulls out the wooden frame because this is where the honey is stored. So the beekeeper has to pull out the wooden frame to get honey from a beehive. All right, so the correct option is D, wooden frames. Number 25. Equipment in beekeeping includes the following except A. Wooden frames, B. Wooden trays, C. Bee suits, D. Boots. So first of all, what does beekeeping mean? Beekeeping is the care and management of colonies of honeybees. Okay, so it is the care and management of colonies of honeybees. Honeybees are the bees that produce honey. Equipment used in beekeeping includes wooden frames. The bees will build their comb inside those frames. This is where they will make honey. So the honey is stored in the wooden frame. Then bee suits and boots are also equipment used in beekeeping because this protects the body from bee stings. Being Imagine being a beekeeper without your bee suit and boots. So this protects the body from bee stings. Other equipment used are smokers, gloves, and so on. So the only one that is not used here is wooden trays. So equipment in beekeeping includes the following except B, wooden trays. I hope you enjoyed this video and you're able to learn a whole lot. Alright, so please make sure that you like and comment on our videos. Also, subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. You can join us on WhatsApp by clicking on the link in the description below. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.